Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to change your controller player order. So right now I have my Joy-Cons as player 1 and my Pro Controller is for player 2. I want to switch this. So my Pro Controller is going to be for player 1 and then of course the Joy-Cons would be for player 2 in that instance. So to do this from the home page of our Switch 2, it's really simple. We're just going to go over here and click A on the controllers option. And we can see from our controllers page that I have the Joy-Cons for player 1 and the Pro Controller for player 2. I want to switch this up. So what I do is click A over here on the side menu on the option where it says change grip/order. So I'm going to click A on that. Now it's really simple. From this page, you can see we have 4 boxes. This is for player 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first controller that clicks the L and R buttons at the top of the controller is going to be set for player 1. I'm going to take out my Pro Controller, press down the L and R buttons, and I can see that that's been locked in for player 1. Now taking out my Joy-Cons, clicking the L and R buttons at the top of those, and that will lock that in as player 2. So I've switched these up, and you can do this at any point in time. Just go into your controllers menu and then open up changing the order. Whoever clicks L and R on their controller first is going to be set as player 1. Who's ever second, player 2, and then so on and so forth. So when I'm ready, I can click A on my controller. And again, guys, you can do this at any point in time from the home screen of your Nintendo Switch, just heading on over to the controllers menu, and you can change that order anytime you want for setting up which controller you'd like to have as player 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by and consider subscribing for more content in the future.